Hi, today at Lauren's hygiene visit, we used our ultrasonic scaler. It sprays out water and vibrates and irrigates the tissue and removes large debris. It's great for patients that have sensitivity to hand scaling, and Lauren really enjoys the ultrasonic scaler. We also use the ultrasonic for all of our patients that have a lot of stain, and also for patients that we are doing the deep cleanings on. We can put it at different levels. So right here, if I need to go a little more, aggressive, basically we're going to just keep going up to 100 if we need to. And if the patient doesn't have a whole lot, then we basically go into the 50 range. And after I use the ultrasonic, I use hand instruments for Lauren to finish off her cleaning and to make sure all the debris and any plaque left over is off. We usually go back with some hand instruments and we'll go over the teeth to make sure everything is nice and smooth. But sometimes there's just, you want to always recheck all the areas to make sure that you got everything prior to dismissing the patient. So we're going to be polishing the teeth with a pumice. This brightens up the enamel, this removes stain, and it removes the thin layer of plaque that is on most patients' teeth. It feels a little bit gritty, so most patients, you need to rinse them very well. They don't like it. And I'm going to have you lift your chin up, Lauren. Thank you. And with polishing, we do each and every tooth individually. And this is usually what I tell the patients as well when they're brushing their teeth, to brush one at a time. I'm going to be demonstrating our battery-powered flosser and how to use it. I'm now using our water pick flosser to floss Lauren after her cleaning to help remove the pumice from her teeth from the polish. I am going to be showing you how we give a fluoride treatment. Lauren will basically be protecting her teeth by remineralizing and also protects against sensitivity. And it is a 2-minute process, and then there is no eating or drinking for 30 minutes after you leave us. And that is all we have to show you today about our fluoride treatment. And look forward to seeing you at Anacapa Dental Art Institute.